Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we got steak 3 ways. So if you can't tell, we've got a sous chef, and when it's time to cook, we'll get him an apron so he can throw down. But a little backstory to this. He came to visit us. This is Uncle Severo, which you guys saw in our video travel vlog number 1. Doing my favorite Uncle Severo is visiting us here in Jacksonville. Exciting times. He visited us in Indy, and we went to go get packs of steak. I don't know if you remember this.
I don't remember.
And he said, I just want salt and pepper on mine, Mikey. That's all I want.
Now are we?
Yeah. And I seasoned it up and I put this and a few other trick ingredients in there. And he says, Mikey, put mine in there too. And let's see what it tastes like. So we're going to do a competition. We're going to do salt and pepper, just one.
Okay.
The old way I used to do it, which is Caesar dressing and a few other things there. And the new way now, which is the smoked with Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Reverse seared. So 3 different ways.
Okay.
Anything to say?
Salt and pepper.
So
Just salt. That's it.
a little
Just
quick
salt.
story. Severo's my favorite uncle. He's the youngest of the
You're
Mancebos.
gonna make a lot of people jealous. I say that.
Okay, he's one of my uncles.
One of
But he's the youngest one. And we're not going to tell you what my age is, because that's, age is, we don't talk about that number.
Yeah.
But he's
No
got
numbers,
me
please.
by
Oh,
13
no
years.
numbers.
He's 13 years older than me. So we have a great relationship, and I'm tickled to death that he's here visiting us. And it just melts my heart. So been a great weekend, but now it's time to cook and share this guy with you guys. So ready?
Let's go and cook.
So we'll get this ready.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get these marinating for a little bit. So the first one, I'll let you pick out of the 3 which one you want to do the old way. Pick one of those gorgeous ones.
Right here. The one on the right.
One on the right is gonna go in this bag, and we're gonna take the Ken's Caesar steak dressing, and I'll put this in here, and of course I'll add some garlic in there later. You guys know we do garlic, but I'll let this marinate for at least 2 hours. So this is 1 down. And then the other ones, I'll let you pick which one of the next 3.
Let's go in row.
Go in a row,
Yeah. Let's go to the next one.
and we'll do this one. And this is soy sauce and W sauce, Worcestershire sauce. And about 2 tablespoons of each, and the soy sauce. And that's it. We'll let them go. We'll let them go for a few. We'll do again 2 hours minimum. 1 hour flip, 1 hour flip, and then we'll get them on the next steps. But right now we gotta take care of a few errands. But marinated steaks and run a few errands. So 2 hours in, we've got soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. We got garlic and Caesar dressing, and we got our control steak. These 2 are gonna wait for room temperature before we put them on, but this one is going on the smoker now. Time to get busy. This is, by the way, just this is Severo's vote.
That's mine.
Salt and
That
pepper.
is mine.
Just
Salt and pepper. That's it. Nothing else.
so we'll get this one ready, and we'll get it out onto the plate. Again, just soy sauce, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. That's it. And then salt,
Right,
pepper, garlic.
Ah.
SPG, salt, pepper, garlic.
Okay.
Be liberal. Don't be cheap, Severo.
Don't be cheap.
To the smoker we go. So when you're at the tea, I got my probe ready to go. We're gonna go 225 till the internal temperature hits 125. Don't forget that, Severo.
125. There we go.
So middle of the steak
And the smoker is going.
on the smoker, 125. And then we're gonna try and time this with the grill steaks. This is Master Chef, we're pros here.
Todo está bajo control.
Steak is well rested. The grill is on fire. It's about 700-800 degrees right now. We're gonna take these steaks. This is our control steak. And we're gonna go 1 minute aside for 4 minutes. So 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, same as this one. And then we're gonna take the smoked one and sear it up in the cast iron skillet. So we're gonna have our 3 steaks. I got Severo his glove, because he's gonna need a glove, because that's how hot that griddle is. It's hot.
Okay, put him on. Okay.
And I'm gonna get this other steak ready. So just salt and pepper.
Just don't be stingy.
Don't be-
Don't be stingy.
Don't be cheap. And to the grill we go.
There we go.
So we are on our char griller Acorn, which is hovering around how much, Lee?
700.
700 degrees.
Oh my God.
We're doing literally minute, 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 minute. That's it.
700? If
So-
you smell something, it's
1,
burning.
2. Wait. That's it. Now close it. 1 minute.
Let's time it. Who's gonna time
I
it?
got the timer right here in my head.
We're going.
Perfect. Now the other one.
Oh my God. Can I feel it with this?
And close it again. And here we go. Perfect. Perfect. Close it one more time. He's worried about his hair. Take it off and put it on here, so we're done. Another one. Done. Perfect. All right, now we're on the Traeger side, and we're gonna take out the one that's been smoking to 125. So if the honest
It's
yours.
going. Okay. There we go.
Take out the probe and put that steak on that end. Yes. Perfect. Now put that steak right there, and we're good to go. And we'll finish up inside. So, steak number 1, salt, pepper, garlic. Steak number 2, the Caesar dressing. We're gonna let those rest here. Tent in foil. While it rests, our last steak is gonna go avocado oil and 1 minute side for reverse sear. So in the pan we go with all that beautiful juice. 1 minute aside. Now we're gonna flip.
You gonna flip?
Perfect. 1 more minute on this side. Minutes up. My sous chef's taking a break.
Not be a break.
You can take it out and put it right here, so and again, we're gonna cover. And what you guys saw on we'll put a link to our reverse seared steaks. And we did a compound butter, which Severin was impressed with last night. It's cilantro, garlic, lime, salt, pepper, and of course butter. And we'll put 1 of each on each steak. So 1, 2, hopefully you guys can see, and last but not least. And I did a chipotle one as well, but we're gonna since we're doing all the same, we got all 3. And retent and let rest for at least 10 minutes. We have patiently rested 10 minutes. And now it's time to see the results. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wow.
So my vote so far, Severo's vote so far, the old way of doing it. So we'll take a piece each and see what we're working with. Yes?
¿Cuál sale mejor?
So we'll do the spinalis. There's 2. But look at the difference. Look how much these have shrunk.
Ese se ve mejor todavía. That looks much better.
The compound butter action.
Oh my God, la babita se me sale. No tiene un pañuelo por ahí para secar.
And that's not gonna count, because that's little edge gonna go. We'll do this. Want to make sure it's fair. 1 and 2.
30 seconds. Oh. 1 minute.
So which one are you gonna go for first? This is salt, pepper, Caesar dressing, reverse seared smoke.
Gonna go this way.
Salt,
Yes.
pepper.
Salt and pepper. So good. So good.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. Very good. Caesar dressing?
Oh my god. Much better.
Significantly better. And I want to say, in Indiana, you fought because you wanted salt and pepper only. Is that not better?
Much better.
Much better. Okay. Now the new way of doing this, everything. Reverse seared.
Oh my god. So good. So good.
The smoke,
The winner.
the winner.
The winner. So good. So good.
You have no clue. When he said he was coming here, the first thing I said was, we're doing
The
a state
winner.
video, right?
The winner.
He's always been salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper.
That's good. That is good, Mike.
Guys, if you like the video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want us to try and make.
That is delicious.
And that said, Suri,
A buen tiempo.
A buen tiempo.
Suri,
A buen tiempo.
thank you for doing this with us. We appreciate it. It's an awesome time.
No, thank you.
Guys, we're gonna eat. See you later.